Methodology. What does it mean when it comes to foundation repair? In today's episode, we will find out. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So yesterday we talked about repair methods for foundation repair. Today we're going to dive into the services that we offer and then the ones we don't offer and the reasoning why. So let's jump into the ones that we don't offer. We don't do concrete piers, which are basically 18-inch to 12-inch concrete cylinders that are pushed hydraulically into the soil. The reason we don't do those is because they're based on skin friction. You build up so much skin friction with the soil that you're not able to get to actual load-bearing depths, and you're based upon still junk soil at the upper level that can be impacted and still move. So those are concrete piers. You can do compaction grouting or a mudjacking, utilizing a concrete slurry. The reason we don't do that is because it's a ton more weight that you're adding to soil that's already shown it can't hold the building or structure that's already on top of it. So adding more weight is just going to make it sink that much faster. I use the analogy, adding an anchor to a sinking ship. Guess what it's going to do? Pull it down that much faster. And like I said, it's just not going to be able to recover. So the methods that we do, we utilize helical piers, push piers, helical tiebacks, and we use a polyurethane grout injection. So the reason we use a polyurethane grout injection is because of the weight. It can still compact the soils at a deep level, and it just doesn't offer or supply all the additional weight or load. So the poly weighs about 4 pounds a cubic foot, whereas the concrete weighs about 140 pounds. So you can just see the difference in weight. It's just not adding that additional anchor to something that's already settling. The other things with the helicals and push piers, the reason we use those is because we're able to monitor the installation torque and values as we're going down to load-bearing stratum. It's so important to make sure you know what soil conditions you're getting into and what load values those piers can actually hold. So that's the big reason we do that. Also, the biggest reason is the warranties we can provide with those. So with the push piers and helicals, because it is a monitored system, we offer 25-year warranties with them that can be transferable if you do sell your home. So that's a huge impact, when, especially out here in California with people buying and selling homes every 3 to 5 years. So it's just something to think about. Each method has their own pluses and minuses. The other methods that I talked about earlier, concrete piers and grout injection, are going to be on a cheaper side than the piers and other things, but you still get the warranties on this side, where these ones you don't really get, and you get more of the fly-by-night companies as well. So that's your foundation repair tip of the day.